Since last 2 days, we have seen oil rising, and I had told you very specifically that trading above 75.2, the target is 78. That is going to be the very strong resistance, and then beyond that 80, 81 levels to be seen. It has achieved 79.5. What to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Also for natural gas, we expected a retracement. It retraced till towards 3.75 levels and now trading with a drop. In fact, it has erased all the gains. Now again back at 3.5. So how to profit today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis. The next analysis for the day, the next targets for the day I will share for crude oil before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into WTI followed with natural gas. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. It is 78, which was the resistance earlier. Now it is going to be the support level as it is trading above 78. So only sell entry I will recommend is below 78. But see 77.65 and 77.5, these two levels you should watch out. In fact, this zone completely between 77.4 to 77.65 is going to be a very interesting resistance zone. Below that directly we may see it lending to 77, which is definitely a good resistance, but only sell entry is below 78. This is very clear. On the upside, remember this fact, it has created a base. Lower highs are seen. Possibly once it trades past 78.6, you can buy there, but then expect 79.2 levels as a very good resistance, and once it breaks past, you can expect this time we may see 79.8, 80.4 and 81 levels also. Now look at the directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen the bottom. They are trying to rise a bit on the early charts. MACD is bearish. It is divergent. RSI has also seen a good drop. If you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see it is trying to trade in this channel. Very clear. It has to breach on the downside and it has to sustain below 78 in order to trade bearish. On the upside beyond 78.6, you can expect 79.2, and once it trades past 79.2, I'll expect it to land at 80.4 levels and plus levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has seen a bottom. MACD, remember, has taken a crossover. This is divergent and this is bearish on the 2-hour charts. Possibly if it gives a reversal also, it may try to trade bearish later. If not today, possibly tomorrow or next week. Oh, sorry, next week we can see it trading bearish again. RSI taking a drop. It was overbought. And if you look at 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts too. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel and later it may give a breakout. And if you look at the movement of oil, see at this point I told you that once it trades beyond this, it is going to give a breakout and possibly we may see higher highs, and certainly this has happened. It failed to give a breakout on the downside, and in fact it has given a bullish breakout. But at the same time, another observation which I did share with you is this lower highs and these higher lows. So it is still in this consolidation zone before it gives a breakout on the long term. Now directional movement on the 3-hour charts is bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is in green trying to converge here, possibly may bring bearishness. RSI has also taken a good drop from the high. Now interestingly, on the 4-hour charts, it is indicating a reversal, lower highs, increasing body size. It has to break below 78 in order to trade bearish from here, and hence you should wait for these levels. At the same time, any point of time, if it trades above 78.6 levels, you can possibly buy here and you can expect it to rather I will say 8.7 levels you can wait for. Beyond that you can expect 79.2 levels, and beyond that further bullishness to be seen. So in between 78.7 and 78, do not take any position. Directional movement bullish here on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is bullish trying to converge here. RSI is trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts here. See, this candle is yet to close and the new candle is yet to start. Now look, it has seen the support here at 74. I told you that with the support at 74, it is trying to rise. Second thing we saw is that it has created higher base. Third thing we saw on the daily charts is lower highs. So we had concluded that it is trying to consolidate. Now possibly 80.4, 80.5 levels and in fact 81 levels are achievable and are going to remain a very good resistance zone. So the next candle, if it trades above 78.7, you can expect that it is trying to reverse again, and from there we can expect it to fly high 90 89.2 89.8, and then 79.2 79.8, and then 80.4 levels can be expected, and beyond that further bullishness might take it till towards 81 levels. That is first part to it. Only sell entry is below 78 till the time oil trades above 78. Do not sell it. So take your trades accordingly. Below 78, every half a dollar there is support level, and hence keep booking your profits there. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see, NG2 has gone till close to 3.75 level. That should be considered a very good retracement, and if you connect the dots on the hourly charts, you will find that it has still got the scope to rise till towards 3. That is the first part. Second, if you look at the near term charts, you will find it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Now it has taken the support here. Possibly once you see it trading above 3.55, you can buy again for 3.6, 3.7, and in fact 3.8 level. So yes, beyond 3.55 you can stay long. At the same time, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see it trading below 3.45. So in between 3.45 and 3.55, do not take any position for this $1. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is flat. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour charts is what we can see. And once it trades beyond 3.55, you can buy for 3.6, 3.65 and 3.8 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold. MACD has again taken a cross for the sell entry. RSI is trading with a slightly bearish bias. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, first thing, it has signaled a reversal here on the 3-hour chart. Second is now it is looking forward to achieve these highs, that is almost close to $4 level. So possibly once it trades beyond 3.355, you can buy and then expect a rise for 3.6. Very strong resistance at 3.6, and then beyond that we can see it hitting 3.8 and plus levels again. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold. MACD is bullish trying to converge. RSI trading flat here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. And yes, remember, once you see trading below 3.45, you can take a sell entry. However, remember 3.4 is a very good support, and below 3.4, if you see it trading, you can expect that we are looking forward to a crash in NG again, and then the target is going to be far below at 3.3, 3.2 levels. Below that, in fact, $3 levels can be expected. So yes, buy at 3.55 and stay long in NG. That is what is my expectation. However, let's have a look. Directional movement here on the 4-hour charts is bearish. Stochastic has seen a drop. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is also seen a little drop. Now look at the daily charts. Now see this, after series of red candles, here it is trying to show a reversal, but look at this. If you look at the charts carefully, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. So a possible confirmation for it to trade bullish is only and only if it trades above 3.8 levels. That is very clear. Second, this candle is yet to be closed. The second candle or the new candle is yet to begin here. You can see in the near term it is trading bullish. Only and only bearishness confirmation is if it trades below 3.4. Else it can again rise for 3.7 and 3.8 levels. Directional movement here is bearish. It must converge, and hence bullishness can be expected. Stochastic trading at bottom near to oversold. MACD is bearish, waiting for it to cross over, and RSI is oversold here. Considering this, my expectation again for NG is to rise. You can buy at 3.55, stay long for 3.7, 3.8, and in fact it can give further bullish move. If it breaks past 3.8, stay long for 4, 4.2, 4.4. If not today, possibly by next week. Maybe it can give a gap up for next week where you can expect 4.2, 4.4 levels, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. If you want to join my mentorship batch, must reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram channel ID, Telegram email ID, and my personal IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. So Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, remember the fact, you can book profits at every milestone. Keep re-entering. In likewise, you can preserve your capital and increase your capital to take trade accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.